Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi. If you're stopping by for the first time, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Thank you for staying with me. I love y'all so much. And today I'm bringing you this very soft, everyday, easy eyeshadow makeup tutorial. And I really think it's super easy and you'll be able to learn a thing or two. Kindly keep on watching if you're interested. And yes, let's get into this video. Immediately, I'm going in with my eyeshadow primer. This one is from Houseoftara. I've had it for a while and it does the job. Now I'm just going in with a brush to further blend the edges to make sure there are no harsh lines whatsoever. And I'll do the same thing for the other eye. And right now I'm picking up that brown shade. It's a very soft, fine brown color from the Wishes eyeshadow palette. And it's also from the nubanbeauty. It's a Nigerian brand and I think it retails for about 9,000 naira on their website. I'll leave the link to their website in the description box. Now that I've applied that shadow directly on my crease, I'm blending now in circular motions, taking my time until that color sort of like blends into my skin just the way I want it, as you can see. So the next color I'll be using this one from the Cosmetics. This color is a darker shade of brown, almost as close to black. I couldn't get black. Now using the same brush, I'm going to pick up that color and I'll apply it on the outer corners of my eye in a dabbing motion, and once I have that, I will start blending in circular motions and try to connect it with the first brown shade that I already have on there. It's sort of like I'm going to smoke the outer corners of my eye to sort of give it like depth, or yeah, that's the idea of that black shade that I'm adding at the outer corners of my eye. Very important. Now I went over to pick up another very neutral shade to sort of diffuse around that area any harsh lines that I must have had on there. And the key thing with eyeshadow is to blend. Now while I applied that first brown shade, if you notice, the eyeshadow primer sort of like reduce a little bit, so I'm going ahead to apply some more just so I can apply the last color on my lid, and just so it will pop a little bit more. Yeah, that's the whole idea of applying eyeshadow primer before you use your eyeshadow, because some of them might not even come up, and even if they do, it might not last all day. So eyeshadow primer is very important for your eyeshadow to last long. So I'm just applying that with a stiff brush on my eyelid, and the next thing I went ahead to do is to pick up some of that first brown shade I used initially on my crease, and now I'm going to lightly blend the edges of that copper color I just applied on my lid. And the idea is to marry these two colors together. You see exactly what I'm doing. I'm taking my time and I'm blending in circular motions, and I also went ahead to that dark brown shade and to further smoke the outer corners of the eye and connect it again to the brown shade. So you see everything is like blended together, and everything is looking nice. Now these lashes, I'll be popping them on. They're the Wynkklashes in the style winter. I love them. They're really full and fluffy, and yeah. So now guys, I'm going to show you how I applied this lashes on, and for some reason I couldn't find my liquid liner, so I'm just going to pop this on. Now all you have to do is to get a mirror and sort of look up and see exactly where to drop the lashes, and as close as possible to your natural lashes. And then once you have that, all you have to do is to connect the outer corner and the inner corners of the lashes, and you're good to go. And after that, I went ahead to do my foundation and highlighting routine, and now I'm just contouring the sides of my nose, and that's pretty much it. And after now, I'll be showing you guys my lip. So the first thing I picked up was this lip pencil from Zaroncosmetics. I'm not sure what it's called, but I would leave it on the description box. Do check it out. And after this, I followed it up with this matte lipstick, also from Zaroncosmetics, and I had my little lip brush to blend these colors together. And yeah. So the last thing I'll be using today is Ezekiel sealed setting spray. I'm forgetting what it's called, but I'll also leave this in the description box. And according to the instructions on the whatever on the setting spray, they're asked to shake and then spray on your face. I'm not sure exactly how this works, but I would also use it for a while and then come back and give you guys an honest review of that product. And if you want to buy it, I got it for about 2,500 naira. And yes, that's the end of this video, you guys. Thank you so much. Please give this video a thumbs up right now if you found this video helpful, and I hope you're able to learn a thing or two. And yes, thank you guys so much. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.